back here on Tom's 65 Bonneville. The old AFB here. She's been leaky and kind of yucky and definitely not behaving. And it's easier to put an Edelbrock on as opposed to rebuilding this mess. So that's where we're at. All right, so Tom was talking about how the choke would kind of just stay on and do crazy goofy stuff, stick. Well, the power to the choke is piggybacked onto this throttle stop with this actuator here. And you know what? Gee, I wonder why. You know. Yeah. I'm sure this thing is just stuck out or fried and it doesn't have any voltage. So we're gonna get that handled too. So we're gonna pull that off because that ain't going back anyway. And then we gotta get our vacuum line fun back here figured out, because there's enough vacuum lines here to suck start a Harley. I don't know, what was the word I'm looking for? It was gonna be something inappropriate. It would come to me later. Dealing with the vacuum, notice one for the booster here is loose, so that's real cute. That would be an issue with running. Somebody didn't do their job right. But guess what? I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna pull this off and I'm just gonna undo the hose here and pull the whole thing out as an assembly. Way easier. Alright, so we got our carb off. Our insulator base gasket is a little on the cooked side. But is that going? Wow, that goes all the way out past the gasket because of how the factory flange is. So that was a vacuum leak the entire time. A potential vacuum leak anyway. Close. It's a little sketchy for me. Good heavy insulator gasket there. That is a decent one. Anyway, time to put on the good stuff. All right, so 1/8 NPT, 1/4 NPT on the back of the Edelbrock. So I got to go get a bushing or reinvent the wheel. What else is new? So I'm off to do that. I'm gonna put the carb on first. Gotta go get that bushing. Gotta go get some fuel hose, and I need to go get the little thingy for the air cleaner. All right, so we're bolted down. Got our return spring all in and ready to go. Nice. Put the stud in and we'll be ready. All right, so we're gonna rant. I found another one of these piece of shit plastic garbage dog shit fuel filters. So I of course went and got a metal one. It's the least we could do for safety. And the funny thing is, Edelbrock, with their new carb, sends one of those plastic pieces of shit with it. Now, absolutely not. No way. It's not going anywhere in an engine bay. No. You guys have heard me rant about this shit before. And, well, I put a nice one in. So Edelbrock, Tom's warranty will be good because I put a filter that's better than the POS that you sent in there. Because this is garbage. Already looking a million times better. I do need to rework our vacuum CF back here. And because no one has the bushing we need to fix this, so I get to kind of get creative, which is no problem. All right, we are up and running. Everything looking good. leak. I literally cranked it about 8 seconds and lit right off. So we're gonna let it get up to temperature. Go from there. Choke's working. In the world, we'll never know. This car has never driven this good. I've driven it a few times now. Yay! Go for a little cruise. Make sure we're good. It runs so nice. So nice. This girl's ready for the parade. I might have to kick her idle up a step. Just a hair, though. But we'll see. I kind of like her. Moves out good. She's definitely got more git than she used to. A little mid-century modern. A little more mid-century modern. Hey, pulls. Happy with it. Dip. This car has never ran this good. Ever. Tom's first drive with the new carb. And Allie's going shotgun.
Yeah, woo.
It's like a whole nother car.